Hi guys, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you all to your favorite vegetarians channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. Trust you guys are doing good and are blessed. So in today's video, I'm back with all the way from China, a beautiful delicious delicacy. It's carrot balls. Let's get right into it. For the ingredients, I have oyster sauce, sugar, rice flour, some salt, carrots, scallions or spring onions, and some habaneros. I start off by chopping my carrots into very thin slices. I'm going to be steaming it, so I'll need it to be extra thin so it can be properly cooked. Right after I'm done chopping up my carrot, I preheated my steamer, and at this point I'm going to spread my thin carrot slices onto the steamer. I do well to spread it out so that it can cook evenly. Carrots boost the immune system and helps the body build antibodies that defend the immune system. It also helps with constipation, control diabetes, it can strengthen your bones, help you lose weight, etc. etc. So do well to consume more carrots. After about 20 minutes, my carrots were fully cooked completely. So into a bowl, I add it and mash it. I mash it with a spoon until I have this fine paste or consistency. Then I go in with some sugar and a pinch of salt and also the rice flour. Kindly note that all measurements will be listed in the description box below. So right after adding the rice flour, I keep using my spoon to mix it all up. I go in with some extra rice flour and then I'm going to use my hand to knead it properly. So just as you're seeing in the video, I kneaded it into one big ball. Then at this point, I'm going to shape it into nice small balls. I just take a pinch with my hands and then mold it into small balls. Then I'm going to lay it on my steamer beautifully. I spread it out. Once I'm done shaping it into nice balls, I lay it on the steamer and then I'm going to let it steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. It should be cooked by then. After the set time, I get back and my carrot balls are almost cooked, so I flip it so the other side can be cooked properly as well. Now to prepping of the sauce. I'm going to chop up my habaneros into thin slices as well. I used about 3 red hot habaneros. If you do not like really hot stuff, you can just use 1 large habaneros. Then I chop my spring onions or scallions also into very nice thin slices. And then I add it to my oyster sauce. Look at how beautiful it is. Right after adding it, I use my chopsticks to mix it all up. And then at this point, it was really thick, so I go in with just a little bit of water. And this is exactly how I want my sauce to be. Not too thick, but just this consistency. So I mix it all up with the chopsticks and then voila, there you have it. I get to check on my carrot balls and it's properly cooked at this point. So I'm going to take it out of the steamer and lay it beautifully on my plate. And food is ready, guys. It's time for tasting. With my chopsticks, I pick one carrot ball and then I dip it into the sauce and have a bite. And guys, this was so delicious. You can have this as a snack or as a whole meal and you're totally gonna love it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. I encourage you all to try your hands on this simple yet delicious recipe. Let me know how it tastes in the comment section. And guys, kindly like this video as it helps the channel grow. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And until I see you in my next one, stay beautiful, stay positive. Bye, guys.